Hello, sir. How may I help you, sir?
I need a jersey.
Which team jersey do you need, sir?
Actually, we are Argentina fan, so it has to be a Argentine jersey. By wearing this jersey, we want to go TSC to see the next match. So, do you have?
Yes, I have many varieties of jersey, but this is the best quality jersey I have.
Okay. This one, huh? How is it, bro?
It's great. So, also quality is also good.
Okay.
Sir, you are two persons here. Do you really need only one jersey?
Yes, sir. We need only one jersey because my friend has already a jersey in his home. That's why I'd like to buy this jersey for myself. Is it suits on me?
Yeah, it suits on you. You should take it.
Should I buy it, huh?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Are you sure?
100%.
Oh. Sir, what's the price of it?
Sir, this jersey is only 500 taka.
Okay. This is too expensive, brother.
Yes,
It's too expensive.
we don't have enough money.
Bro. Sir, but I have only 350 taka with me.
Sir, if you want to buy this jersey, you have to pay at least 400 taka.
Are you sure?
Yes, do you want to take it?
Okay. Bro, I have only 350 taka with me. What should I do?
No problem. I will give you the rest of the money.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Sir, I would like to buy this jersey.
Okay, then pay me the money and take it your jersey.
Okay. Bro, give me the money.
Oh, of course.
Okay. That's the full amount of 400. Here you go, sir. That's the
Thank
money.
you, sir. This is your jersey. And come again
Thank you
to
so much,
visit
sir.
us.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. How can I help you, sir?
Do you have Brazil jersey?
Yes, we have.
Please show me the jersey, please.
Here you go, sir. This is a top-notch quality jersey we have, and it also has 70% discount now, sir.
But why? Isn't it good product?
So that's not the main reason, actually, sir. The main reason is Brazil. A few days ago, Brazil was cooked by Norway, sir, and they lost 2-1.
You make me cry.
Sorry, sir, but from now we won't sell any Brazil jersey in our shop because they always lose World Cup games, and we need to reduce our prices and give discount to sell it.
Give me the jersey, please. I don't want to hear anything from you.
Yes, sir. You can take it for free, sir.
I don't want to buy from you. I'm going.
Sir, sorry, sir. 70% discount, sir. Please
No
don't
need,
go.
no need.
Don't go, sir.
No need, sir.
Sir.